Alrighty, the new signals are in and active here at Dakin Road on the UP Geneva Sub near Fulton, Illinois. This was a bit of a surprise to see today because last time I was here they just had the new bungalow installed with no conduit yet. But now here we are in September and the crossing is completely done. So definitely a bit weird to see. Old relay bungalow is gone and yeah, it's pretty much all finished. So these are pretty typical for new UP installs. GE dot LEDs and Safetran frames, NEG E Bell, and like I covered at Acker Road, they're now facing the dot tags facing forward now instead of sideways, which is a real nice thing to see. Got Siemens base, Siemens gate mechanism, and Safetran junction box on the side. Rear lights, and the gate has newer striping with NEG clear LEDs. And the gate has the newer style NEG two-way gate saver. Also appears to be made by MTR Technologies. So yeah, pretty typical install now. Again, surprised to see these done, but not the biggest surprise I've seen today. That would be down at that crossing down there where you can see those are newer Safetran Siemens signals with a newer bungalow, and that crossing now has conduit around it. So they might be replacing those signals soon. We'll have to wait and see on that. I'll put a link to my tour on the top right there so you can see the close-ups of that. Here's a back view of the southern signal. And the northern signal, pretty much the same thing over here. And both these have WCH crossbucks with NEG track signs. So everything you come to know and love on a typical UP install. I just wish they would use GS Type 3s instead of NEG bells. But yep, there you go. There's the new bungalow, northeast quadrant there. And then here's a track view or overview facing south. So this has been the new signals at Dakin Road.